and gentlemen. All people. Hey guys.
Hello, hello, hello.
Alright, so we are doing Ital today. So today we link Shanty-Man, right? Natural. English. So Shana said English. So today we have stopped by Shanty-Man to get belly full. Right? We're going to try some Ital food today.
So it's not just Ital, it's Ital. Well, Ital is vegetarian too. Right, Marsha?
Ital, Vital, Vegan.
Right. See, here is the Shanty-Man Ital Vital Vegan Restaurant. Yeah. Rasturant. Hey, I was gonna say
Restaurant, not restaurant,
No.
but restaurant.
Queen Marsha says, look where Queen Marsha says restaurant. Yeah, guys, so we met Marsha and Shanty-Man when we went to the Creative Art Walk. And thing is, their food smells so good then. And we decided that we had to come and to check them out. We had to support them because one, they're Jamaicans, it's local, and why not?
It's natural, yeah.
Yes, it's Rasta. So this is it. If you're ever on or in Garden Talk.
So this is the lookout community, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're in the lookout community, so it's in the when you come into Papine area and continue up on Garden Town Road.
It's about 2 minutes from Papine Town.
Right. Two to 3 minutes from Papine Square.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much to all our subscribers who are continuously watching and tuning in to us. Guys, we appreciate you so much. And to our newbies, we thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoy our journey and that you'll keep watching and hitting that like button, subscribe and share, right?
Cool.
So journey with us, and I hope you'll enjoy our little showcase of Shanty-Man's and Marsha's eatery.
It's all about the culture. Most of why everything is here is about the culture. So we have the cowboy broom. That's indigenous.
Yeah.
So we have the hammock. We have two types of hammock. Where our work used to lie down and sleep, you know.
And relax.
While the Rasta man can do the same also.
Yeah, it's true.
Also black people.
And the white man too, everybody.
Right. So
Everybody.
it starts from somewhere.
Yes, it starts from somewhere.
It starts from somewhere.
So people come and buy these clothes.
You know them two pieces, we just get them one type of eye. I've everything I tried with Rita Marley.
Yeah.
Come from Ghana one day. I can buy them from. Them nice, cause them one they know just wear like over your breast.
Oh.
Just wrap it and then tight, bro.
Oh.
Yeah. You can wear like tights underneath or something. Nice color and
Yeah, them nice. Say just put on offer some. So you sell one of them for how much money? How much money you sell? You usually
No
sell?
man, they're not expensive man. Something like that for $4 grand. And if you seriously want to take off 5. And we not kill people price, but that's what you want to make. People can't get to weird. I, Sessa King.
Yeah,
I.
everything blessed.
Yes, I.
Full hand.
Yeah man, give thanks my Lord. Yes, I. They are get competitive.
Straight out of Ghana, right?
Straight out of Ghana. And that's where the Ghana, you know. It's like a flowers garden looking at the city, you know.
Yes,
Colorful. Just a clothes, right? People have a man.
Yeah.
Then just colorful, that's it. No, we're not better than Africa.
It's true.
No, we are on the earth.
It's beautiful.
Colorful. Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah, them one they're from Gambia.
This.
Yeah, from Gambia. Yeah, woman wear too.
Yeah.
Like a top.
So the suit here for the man.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, you
Hey,
do?
Marsha, walk.
Blessed love.
You alright? Yeah. Colorful and nice as usual.
The wear, yeah, bad.
Promote the
Shanty-Man's roots, you know?
Yeah, I'm not a product that
Yeah, all the wine and the drink round town right now.
Bad.
So what is this? This one here? It's like a pipe.
yeah, this name is
Chill out.
Team Chalice. So this
Oh,
different.
Okay.
So that one different from
We
the
can hold it?
regular
Yes, you
one.
can touch it.
Yeah, man.
Guys, this is the Team Chalice down.
Yeah, man.
So how this work? You put your mouth here, so
Yeah.
you put your mouth
Yeah,
here.
and then now the herb go inside.
Right.
On top of the herb, there is a little thing we call the gritty. And then we put this coal on top. So it's like a pudding. You understand? I'm going to on a fire bottom, but eventually it's steam, it's vaporized.
Coal that's used inside here, it's coal
Right.
made up of coconut shell. Coconut shell make these coal for the steamers. Yes. So you light this shell here, mostly with a torch, you know? And then the herbs go inside here, and then you have the gritty on the top. And then water has to into this part here.
Yeah.
And then it's steam. It's not burn, it's steam. So you get the sensation out of the herb instead of smoke. And the
Yeah.
herbs don't touch, it don't burn, just steam.
So this is how down inside I look. No man, this bad though.
Yeah, man.
And guys, this is made out of
Natural
Coconut
woven.
shell,
yeah, and bamboo
and clay.
and clay.
Yeah.
All right.
Everything is from the herb.
And oh, this is another one too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all those are some
See?
of them and so on. They're different.
Yeah, and then this is a drum.
Bingy drum. Yeah.
Oh, bingy drum. Real goat skin.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. So say I can knock it. Not bad. I like it. So the art. So guys, if you're interested,
Everything locally made. These are knitted shoes, locally made. Everything locally made.
Yeah.
These are natural slippers, locally made. No, these are from Africa.
oh,
These are
this
from
is
the
nice
continent.
though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slippers.
Yeah, this real genuine leather I
Yeah,
see.
man, heavy.
This is the African
Yes.
most colorful.
Yes, it's heavy. So guys, if you're interested, nice earthy slippers.
Nice cool wear.
Yes. And then we have the shake. Alright, so it good? Thank God. Yeah, so the shaker.
Music instrument.
So instead of, yeah, so you can see shake mark on it. Nice. And then I don't know how many people know the cobweb broom.
Yeah, man, all
But
them tall church building there.
Yeah, them usually use it to
Big hardware, all tall building with extraordinary tall. You have to have a cobweb, bro.
nice. It's
Clean
so-
out the web out of this.
But what I said to me? Then another goat skin. This what is funny drum?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
ear
but
one.
that goes-
Hey!
All of them are goat skin, but this one here.
Ear it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You look at the eerie goat skin drum. What? No man. Literal
Face
goat
natural.
ear. Yeah. No man, this is nicely made.
Yeah, man.
So guys, these are what you call them?
Yachty.
Yeah, man.
Aki Yachty.
Yattis.
Ital.
Yeah. So we used to the potty, but this are different stuff. This are natural stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Made from the aki. Yeah, man.
So the Gleaner featured him. 2012.
Shanty-Man, this is not Shanty-Man. Featured in the art and education.
Just want to know if you want a mixture, like a slice of yam, with some fried plantains, with a dumpling, with some rice, some peas, and then now you don't eat ackee. So I don't know if you want the stew alone or stew with the ilaloo. You get that mixture, same price.
Alright, so this is what I want. Because I want my own plate. And I want Gav to have his own
Calabash.
plate. Yeah, it's a calabash, right?
Calabash.
So we're having the food in calabash, guys. Alright, so me used to the word plate, so that is why I keep saying what's calabash.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll take the stew with some rice and some ripe plantain.
Good.
Babe, are you gonna take the yam? And so you're gonna take the yam and the kalaloo and ripe plantain.
Alright,
Yeah.
good. So you need small, medium, large.
Give me medium. Give us
Medium.
medium.
Yeah, take
Two
it
medium.
medium.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Natural African style, you know.
This is for the eye.
Respect,
Yeah,
respect.
man, good. This is for the empress.
Alright, so this is for the eye.
Good. You rest it on top of that in case it a roll over.
Oh,
Yeah.
Stability.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fall over there.
Oh.
So what do you
That's
want?
some more rest.
Alright, why win that?
Thank you. What kind of juice do I have to them,
I
Mark?
have different sorry.
So guys, now we have our meals.
One pine, one sorry.
This is what it looks like. So this is stew with rice and peas, plantain, this side. And my honey has kalaloo with yams and
Alright, see?
what's that, babe?
Kalaloo with yam and plantain.
Alright, so you try. Nice?
This tastes good. Yes, Ital.
Alright guys, so now I'm about to try Gavin's. I'm gonna try his kalaloo. Nice. We said no additive, no seasoning, no Maggi seasoning, none of that. Holy good baby.
Natural herbs and spices, all natural.
Alright, now I'm trying this. The stew. It look like red peas, or you call it kidney beans and broad beans. Okay, it says red peas and broad beans. Love. This is so nice. Whoa, okra in there too.
It's a back food.
You know, you can eat them. You can eat this just by itself. You can eat the stew by itself without anything at all. It's so good. This is parboiled rice. It's the first me eat parboiled rice. I like it. First. So, I love eating my stew with meat. Alright, thank you. I love eating my stew with meat, and I'm telling you that this stew is so good. I really don't need meat. I'm not missing the meat.
Shani is about to try her sorrel drink.
Yeah, so they make natural juices here. So I took sorrel. What is this mixed with? Straight sorrel? Oh, and ginger. Yo,
Sorry,
this
with
is-
ginger, yeah.
This tastes good, guys. It's so refreshing and it's not too sweet. The ginger is not harsh. It's just really smooth and nice.
Yeah, right then.
It's right. Agree.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Listen.
And them ginger here are the better ginger. From the other day, I buy ginger. Not have that. Little weed.
Flavor.
You know which one you know? I market my buy.
Or that one.
You have the flavor.
Young.
Maybe they're young.
Young or the current ginger. But one of the local ginger and the dry wood, it has this hash.
It's strong, yeah. Ash taste.
It is nice.
They don't really have a lot of vegan restaurants. You know, even a vegetarian restaurant is not vegan. So people
Yeah,
who
man.
really need
Catch it
vegan
by
come
episode,
from
because
afar.
it's tonight.
From clay. You find it more so from wood.
Oh.
So when we really see that designer from a Rastaman, I said, no. Man can do anything, them put their mind to
Anything.
anything. And I said, watch out. Well designed and we have some more ourselves. So I say, yeah, good artwork.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it's a journey. What happened in life is that most of man amongst like David House, Capricorn, he's a music, we sing music and everything there. But eventually now, by the amongst whole heap of musician, I realize you don't have no manager, no producer, no man to take care of you and do you well, like while them do coffee and while them do the artists, you know? Chronics. Sign you up and say, I work with you. Me never really bought that. Just Capricorn. You have to make yourself more progressive,
Useful.
Useful. You understand? Don't waste of time. You know what I mean? Because that's what many people do. Waste some time doing nothing. And then and I wait for the next man thing. No. Me not do that. Me just focus now what me can do and what me have to do to survive. We can boil roots from country. So I learn more upon it by coming among some Haitian priests, Bobo priests, and see how them do for them thing. Them show me say, yeah man, that way is the wine way, where you make wine and good roots.
Yeah,
So
kind
say,
of
yeah.
ferment good.
We don't want to drink no dragon, we don't want to drink no rum, we don't want to drink no red label wine, we don't want them heavy alcohol in our system. So we want more so natural, organic, alkaline things in our system. Two things in our body, alkaline and acidic. So if you make more acidic take over your body, you're easy if you're sick. But if you make more alkaline take over your body, you're harder if you're sick. Because you have more resistance in your immune system. You know what I mean?
They will most find them one.
We can't carry to our friend.
I'm going to see like my ears stay.
You know, do you like your one?
I want my rap.
Yeah.
Can I get a nice African rap?
Alright, give me.
She have the ear, man. She have ear, camera.
Alright, do it.
Aye.
Or the ears stay up on top same way.
Yes, I'm fresh.
Oh, she's here same way.
Yeah, man. It's Rasta.
Should I carry
Rasturant.
man. I'm hard, man.
Should I carry my Rasta earring?
Everything good.
Alright, good. Go over there, I'm there and I know something I'll try.
Yeah.
I don't know, I go for this man. Here, sir.
Blessed love.
Yeah, man, more strength in her. Here, sir.
Rastafari.
More power. Here. My lord.
Blessed love.
Yeah.
Yes,
Respect.
family.
So guys, Queen Marsha is giving me a rap.
African rap.
African rap.
Yeah, it's an African rap. Make a style statement. I'm gonna give the boa side to you. It's an African rap to you, know. Yeah.
And it's so
Easy
nice.
as that. It's so easy. Can I right now?
And it's not tight.
No, it's just free.
Yeah.
I still get my ear puffy same way, and as Africa, you're the same way. So.
After all.
The same get some African, that's my phone mash up. That show you them on the phone, how they look like you.
What?
Yeah,
We like this.
it's African rap.
Alright guys, what do you think?
So guys,
Nice
tell us
one.
what you think down in the comment section below.
Yeah, so you can compare Marsha to wrap your hair, right?
You can lock here too. You can lock, yes, I can lock here.
Nice.
Over Shanty-I, you know?
It's true.
This is a foundation. With the food and the culture.
I go boiled banana too, you know.
Yeah, man. Shane, watching. So guys, so this piece of foot jewelry,
Yeah.
I got from our journey, from our trip to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say Lentina. I'm gonna
Let's
really
say-
have them now here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have more craft on this, but we don't have them here right now.
What the one your name?
Cocoon.
Yeah.
Alright, this is when the Maroon and the British in a war. When the British drink coffee, the Maroon drink cocoon.
Now what happened, the inside that can parch like chocolate, and the inside of food you can use like tea. Like coffee to
So it's
taste
stronger
like
than
coffee. Yes, inside the cocoon.
The outside.
And a big no vitamin.
So all of them things, they no plastic.
It's a bamboo.
It's just natural.
So everything just
Chicken
natural.
come from off the tree.
Oh, sorry, I remember
These are
when...
from Africa, you know, from the continent. These are Simba. Where's the
Yeah,
Simba?
those are from Gambia.
Gambia. It's a symbol of some form of the words in their
Very
language.
different.
Yeah. Yeah. All of these data from here. And these two.
Oh, yeah,
There's a tribal something another. I don't remember.
So
This
this...
woman have 5 bites, the man really have 6 bites.
Mhm.
If you look in our real life.
Yeah. Right, so these are the female star,
Female stuff.
5 points. And the male star have 6 points.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More progressive, useful. Waste some time. You know what I mean? Because that's what many people do. Waste some time doing nothing. And then I wait for the next man thing. No. Me not do that. Me just focus now on what we can do. And what me have to do. Them boy roots from country. So we learn more upon it by coming among some Haitian priests, Bobo priests, and see how them do for them thing. Them show me say, yeah man, that way I say wine